The main topics for your app are almost always divided into subtopics. Each of these need to be represented in the app by creating an inner menu screen. Its buttons should match the ideas coming off of each main topic of your mind map. Here's a guide to its functionality. Start by clicking the Add Screen button at the upper left. Then drag the inner menu template into the workspace. You see that the inner menu looks similar to the home screen, but unlike the home screen, this one has buttons with two options, New Item and Add Item. Clicking New Item makes each button act just as it would on the home screen template, and it's edited the same way. The New Section button also adds new buttons, like on the home screen. On this template, each topic can also be subdivided or nested by clicking on the Add Item side of the button. You can add as many items as you need. Each can have their own independent screen links. As you can see, there will be a space each time a new section is added, but each new item appears connected to the one before it, as well as to the topic above it. Before closing the template, give the screen a name by clicking on the title bar and naming it in the editor's text box. The title bar and screen name are often the same. Don't forget to name your screen. And as always, remember to save. Your inner menu screen is now ready to be previewed.